Good morning and a very warm welcome to our ex-assembly on Friday the 16th of October 2020. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoy celebrating the successes of our children in school over the past week, and there have been many things to celebrate. I hope all the children enjoyed our Wear What You Want Day on Wednesday. It was nice to give the children that reward for the excellent way they've come back to school this year, and we look forward to many special events coming up over the coming weeks, and a little bit more about that very soon. The most important thing about today is to hear about all the things that have been going on in the classrooms and hear about the excellence that our children are delivering each and every day. We start as always with our youngest children, and that is those in Bumblebee class. Our first award this week in Bumblebees goes to Elijah for doing a fantastic writing of your sounds and for always trying your best with all the activities we set for you. The team have loved seeing you play so beautifully with lots of your new friends. You've really made a good start to your time with us at Leversden Primary School, Elijah, and that comes from Mrs Osborne, Miss Finn and Miss Hugan. The second award of the week goes to Callum for coming to class like a superstar every morning this week. We've loved seeing you joining with all the class activities, Callum. Please keep it up. It's been fantastic to see all the excellent things you've done this week. Again, that comes from Mrs Osborne, Miss Finn and Miss Hugan. Moving now into our class, they've had very busy weeks and spent lots and lots of time in the outdoors. The first award this week goes to Alexis for demonstrating an enthusiastic and conscientious attitude to her learning. You're the first to tackle the writing challenge in choice learning, Alexis, which is fantastic to see. You've been trying so hard with your letters and numbers and forming them correctly in your books, and you're a fantastic friend and helper to everyone in our class. Well done, Alexis, from Mrs Green, Mrs Moss, Mrs Grace, Mrs Taylor and Miss Hugan. Second award this week goes to Ozzy for always bringing a wonderful smile to school and trying so hard in each and every lesson. You're very conscientious with all your learning, and it's wonderful to see your confidence developing. We love the way that you work so well with any member of the class, Ozzy. Well done, and keep it up from everybody in your class team of Mrs Green, Mrs Moss, Mrs Grace, Mrs Taylor and Miss Hugan. Moving on to Dear Class now. Our first award this week goes to Arlo for always having a positive attitude towards school. You've been working quietly and trying your best in every subject, and your aim in PE was to be like an Olympic champion. You are always polite and sensible, and you set an excellent example to your classmates. Well done, keep up the good work, and that comes from Mr Cook and Miss Simpson. Second award this week goes to Charlie for persevering and trying your best in each and every subject. You're growing in confidence and listening more and more carefully to adult advice, putting a lot of effort into your work in order to improve it. You've approached challenges in different subjects with a smile on your face and a determination to succeed. So well done and keep it up, from Mr Cook and Miss Simpson. Moving to Otter class now. The first award of the week goes to Jaden for his amazing work in maths. Power Maths really makes us use our skills in maths, forwards, backwards, up, down and inside out. Some days it makes your head hurt, but Jaden seems to glide his way through the challenges as though he wrote them himself. Quiet and focused, he produces consistent impressive work. Be proud of your skills, Jaden, because they shine through, and that's a lovely certificate to receive from Mrs Solomon and Miss Mexter. Second award of the week goes to Indiana for being full of fun whilst completing some serious learning. Indiana comes into school every day ready to learn and to make the most of her time with her friends. She seizes every opportunity for play and enjoyment, spreading friendship and fun generously. At the same time, she completes some excellent mathematics work with seeming ease, soaking up the challenges, showing her deep understanding of place value in every lesson so far. Great work, Indiana, from Mrs Solomon and Miss Mexter. Moving into Badge class now. First award of the week goes to Thomas for continually demonstrating a positive attitude towards all aspects of your learning and always striving to improve. You're a role model for all members of Badger class, Thomas. Well done, from Miss Bennett and Mrs Smith. This week's second award is for Poppy for her continued effort and enthusiasm. You've worked especially hard in maths, Poppy, becoming more confident with a place value of 5 and 6 digit numbers. A big well done to you from Miss Bennett and Mrs Smith. Finally, Fox Class this week is awarded to Phoebe for your proactive attitude to your learning, your determination to overcome barriers and succeed, and your positive contribution to all lessons. You are now really developing as a Year 6 pupil, and your maturity shows through in your thoughtful and intelligent questions. You're not deterred by failure and always manage to maintain your sense of humour. That comes with a big well done from Mr Clark and Mrs Taylor. Now we have a very special award this week. We don't often do this, but a very important week for some of the children in our school. I just want to say a big well done and congratulations to them. So the special award for this week is presented to Lois, to Erin, to Angelica and to Caitlin, who yesterday spent the day showing just how brilliant they are as they sat the Kent test in the hopes of making it to grammar school next year. So to you, we're very proud of you for showing your own personal academic excellence yesterday while sitting your Kent test. You've done yourself, your families and the school proud with your effort. Whatever happens, you've done your absolute best, and we all want you to be proud of yourselves for achieving that. That comes from everyone who knows you, and a big well done from all of us again. Please enjoy the weekend. There is nothing now you can do to change the result of that test, so put it to the back of your mind and just concentrate on the rest of your weekend. Again, just a reminder that if you've done something really special outside of school, we'd love to hear all about that, so please send them in on our families@bethersden.kent.sch.uk email address. Videos, photos, scans or anything you have, please do get in touch and share them with us. Birthdays this week. Caitlin turned the ripe old age of 11 on Tuesday, and Alfie, a very happy 6th birthday to you for today. We wish you a very happy weekend and hope you have lots of fun. Now, I did mention earlier we plan some special events in the school to make sure that children don't miss out. And children, this is especially for you. Next Friday we will be having our Spooky Sports Day. We're very aware that some of the Halloween traditions may not be able to happen this year, so we want to make sure that you get the chance to dress up and wear your costumes with pride. Mrs Henshaw and Mrs Taylor are busy organising spooky sports for you, which will involve you taking part in different activities in the hall, and who knows, there may be a treat at the end, along with a few tricks possibly along the way. We hope you enjoy the day. It has been designed around you, and we look forward to seeing you dressed up in your best Halloween costumes next Friday, the 23rd of October. So I'd say thank you to FOBS as well for providing the resources to make this possible. It really is appreciated, the work you do in the school. Just a reminder, please check your parent mails. And a quick reminder of all the different ways to get in touch. I won't go through them again because we do that every single week. Just finally, a chance to say thank you very much for joining us today. Next Friday's assembly will be the last of this term, and we hope to be able to bring some special bits and pieces. There will also be a bumper bulletin coming out next Friday and a letter giving you lots of information about next term. Thanks for joining us today. Have a lovely weekend. Stay safe, stay warm, and we'll see you all back on Monday. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.